Hindi na nga bago ang video na to at malamang ang iba sa inyo ay napanood na rin ito. At para sa mga hindi pa nakakapanood, ang videong ito ay tungkol sa sagutan ng isang Pilipina at isang Indiana habang sila ay nakasakay sa isang pampasaherong tren. Sa gitna nga ng kanilang pagtatalo ay biglang nasabi ng Indiana ang tungkol sa pagiging domestic helper ng karamihan sa mga Pilipino. Alam naman natin na walang masama sa trabahong ito, pero sa paraan nga ng pagkakasabi ng Indiana ay agad nga itong hindi nagustuhan ng nasabing Pilipina. At kung paano nga sila nauwi sa ganitong pagtatalo, panuuri natin ang video na to.
Look at your circle first before you talk to me. Don't spit on me. I'm not spitting you on. Salama is you don't talk to me. Go away. You can't now go in the kitchen. Go away.
I should call you out when you are fat. Do not discriminate.
Can you please talk about?
Can you please get lost?
My most best you don't care. If you wanted to move, then you move.
I can't. You're still in the way. The fat woman is still in the middle.
And then you change your face.
Oh, the dirty chicken. Wonder why you're fat.
You don't care. Maybe you don't have the money to buy chocolate chicken.
No, I don't.
That's why.
I don't work here as a domestic helper like most of you.
Excuse me, I'm not a domestic helper.
I said like
And
most
whatever.
of you. Do you
Whatever.
understand English? I said like most of you. I didn't say you particularly. No, you have no answer. You don't know how to
You don't
answer.
also have the right to discriminate against domestic helpers.
I'm not domesticating them.
I don't
And
care.
most of them here are DH, and therefore that's the truth. The fact is you're fat. The fact is most Filipinos here are domestic helpers.
And is there anything wrong with
There's nothing
Filipinos
wrong with
being
that.
domestic helpers here?
We have a lot of Filipinos here.
It's the truth. There's nothing wrong with them, but it's the truth.
Really?
Yeah. Most of them are here as DH.
And at least they're doing a proper job.
And that's a
Yeah.
different job.
So why do you need to bring being a domestic helper here?
Because she can't understand my question. I said that most people here from the Philippines are here.
No,
as
you
domestic
keep
helpers.
no. The thing is, you keep on talking shit about Filipinos. Not every Filipino is like.
Being here, you know.
A lot of Filipinos here are educated.
Look at the newspaper article in the South China Morning Post. The immigration officer
We
in Hong
don't
Kong
care.
at the airport asked a Filipino who came in, "Are you a prostitute or domestic helper?" Everybody knows they're A
Whatever.
or B. Okay.
Then,
So you're pretending if we are not the
so what is that? You're saying that you're not
Are you thinking?
discriminating Filipinos, but what are you saying?
Talk to the newspaper. They're already saying that.
No, talk to
It
yourself.
doesn't bother me. I'm not a Filipino.
Oh,
You're not
really?
bothered. Why you keep on talking?
You are the one who keeps bringing shit about like Filipinos.
I've left you. Now you've got 2 spaces for your fat bum. Now shut up.
You keep on talking, you know. You shut up.
I have a bloody fat Filipino.
Hindi naman talaga maganda ang naging pagkakasabi ng nasabing pana sa nasabing video. Dahil medyo double meaning nga ang paraan kung paano niya ito sinabi. Hindi man itong diretsa ang sinabi na masamang trabaho ang pagiging domestic helper, pero mapapansing may halong sarkasam nga ang pagkakasabi nito. Kaya tama lang din na hindi nga nagpatalo itong si Kabayan dahil kung sakaling hindi ito nagsalita at wala itong ginawa, ay tatawanan lamang siya ng nasabing pana. At kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, at bago ka pa lamang dito sa aking YouTube channel, ay ini-invite kita mag-subscribe at pahit na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng balitang OFW at mga viral video na ina-upload natin dito sa ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood.